Hey everyone, did you know that over 40% of adults in the US are considered obese? Yes, you heard that right. The obesity rates in America are reaching shocking levels, and it's time we address this pressing issue. When you combine people who are obese and those who are overweight, the number will shock you. 2 out of 3 adults in America are considered obese or overweight. Of course, overweight is measured by BMI, or body mass index of 25, while a BMI of at least 30 is considered obese. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into the obesity epidemic in America. This topic affects us all, whether directly or indirectly, and we must understand the gravity of the situation. Factors contributing to this epidemiology. Let's talk about the factors contributing to this epidemic. From unhealthy eating habits to the lack of physical activity and genetic predispositions, there are various reasons why obesity rates are on the rise. It's not just about appearance, but our overall health and well-being. Unfortunately for some obese people, the social stigma associated with obesity is not going away soon. People are sometimes discriminated against because people believe that being obese has much to do with laziness and not many other factors that contribute to this epidemic. The impact of obesity. The impact of obesity goes beyond individual health. It affects society as a whole and strains the healthcare system. With the rise in chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer, we're seeing an increase in healthcare costs and a decrease in overall quality of life. It's a vicious cycle that we need to break out of. Personal story of obesity. Let me share the personal story of someone who has seen it all, including the blame for not doing enough to help herself. Meet Sarah, a young woman who has been battling obesity for years. Through her struggles and triumphs, we see the human side of this epidemic. Sarah's story reminds us that behind the statistics are real people with real challenges. Sarah is not alone in her struggle, but in her case, she fought and came out of it triumphantly. You too can do it. If you or somebody you know is suffering from obesity, don't give up. Seek help if needed, and do something to better yourself by eating right, doing some physical activities, and being happy, because unhappiness stresses you out and can worsen the matter. Conclusion. In conclusion, the obesity epidemic is a significant issue that requires immediate attention. We must come together as a community to address this challenge and work towards a healthier future. Remember, it's not just about individual choices. It's about collective responsibility. I encourage you to share your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. Let's start a conversation and support each other on the journey to better health. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos on health and wellness. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching.